Check the following system for causality. A1 and 2. B2 and 3. C1 only. D1 and 3. The correct answer is 1 only. If the system transfer function of a discrete time system, then system is A stable, B unstable, C stable at Z1, D unstable at Z1. The correct answer is stable. Two rectangular waveforms of duration t1 and t2 seconds are convolved. What is the shape of the resulting waveform? A triangular, B rectangular, C trapezoidal, D semicircular. The correct answer is trapezoidal. The function AESJT represents a rotating phasor having a magnitude increasing with time. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If F1T F1J and F2T F2J, then A1 F1T A2 F2T. A1 floor 1J A2 floor 2J. B A1 A2 floor 1J F2J. C A1 floor 1J A2 floor 2J. D A1 floor 1J A2 floor 2J. The correct answer is A1 floor 1J A2 floor 2J. The signal xt A cos 0t is A energy signal, B power signal, C energy power, D none. The correct answer is power signal. The inverse Fourier transform of t is AT, B1, CT, DEJ2PT. The correct answer is 1. Which one of the following is the correct statement of the system characterized by the equation ytaxtb? A linear for any value of b, B linear if b0, C linear if b0, D non-linear. The correct answer is non-linear. If t denotes a unit impulse Laplace transform of is A1, Bs2, Cs, ds2. The correct answer is s2. The function sin xx. A has a period 2p decays with increasing x and has zeros at np n1 2. B has a period p. C has a period p2. D has a period 2p decays with increasing x, is an even function and has zeros at np n1 2. The correct answer is has a period 2p decays with increasing x, is an even function and has zeros at np n1 2. Which of the following represents a stable system? A1 and 4, B1 and 3, C2 3 and 4, D1 2. The correct answer is 1 2. Autocorrelation for T0 is equal to A average power S of waveform, B square of average power S of waveform, C half of average power S of waveform, D square root of average power S of waveform. The correct answer is average power S of waveform. For an AC sinusoidal wave, the RMS value is 10A. For the same wave delayed by 60 in each half cycle, the RMS value is likely to be A 10A, B 7.07A, C 6.35A, D 3.5A. The correct answer is 10A. If ft is an odd function, the coefficients fn in the exponential form of Fourier series A are real, B are imaginary, C are complex, D may be real or imaginary. The correct answer is are imaginary. The impulse response Hn of a linear time invariant system is given as if the input to the above system is the sequence EJPN4, then the output is A4 to EJPN4, B4 to EJPN4, C4 EPN4, D4 EPN4. The correct answer is 4 to EJPN4. In the periodic train of rectangular pulses F0 V0 TD, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If a sequence is causal, then rock is where A is any number. A Z A, B Z A, C Z A, D entire plane. The correct answer is Z A. X and Y are two random variable and Z X Y. Let X2, Y2 and Z2 be variants of X, Y and Z then. A Z2 X2 Y2, B Z2 X2 Y2, C Z2 X2 Y2, D Z2 X2 Y2. The correct answer is Z2 X2 Y2. Consider the following sets of values of E, R, and C for the circuit in the given figure. A1 and 4, B1 and 2, C3 and 4, D2 and 3. The correct answer is 2 and 3. LC1 F1 T C2 F2 T. AC1 floor 1 J C2 floor 2 J. BC1 floor 1 J C2 floor 2 J. CC1 floor 1 J C2 floor 2 J C1 C2. DC1 floor 1 J C2 floor 2 J C1 C2. The correct answer is C1 floor 1 J C2 floor 2 J. If a linear time invariant system is excited by a pure random signal like white noise, the output of the linear system will have which of the following properties? A output will be a white noise. B output will be periodic. C output will be random. D output will be correlated or colored noise. The correct answer is output will be random. A signum function is A0 for t greater than 0, B0 for t less than 0, C unity for t greater than 0, D 2t1. The correct answer is 2t1. If a number of even functions are added, the resultant sum is A even function, B odd function, C either even or odd function, D mixture of odd and even functions. The correct answer is even function. For the differential equation d3 d2 d1 yt0, the root of auxiliary equation are ajj1, bjj2, c12j, d12j. The correct answer is jj1. The autocorrelation of a sampling function is A triangular function, B gate function, C signum function, D none of the above. The correct answer is gate function. The solution of state equations using Laplace transform is AXTTX0L1SBUS, BXTSX0L1SBUS, CXTEATX0EATTBUTDT, D both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. A gate function which occurs at t0 and lasts for duration t can be written as AUTT0t, BUTT0UTT0t, CUTT0UTT0t, DUTT0UTT0t. The correct answer is UTT0UTT0t. If a signal Gt has energy E, then the energy of the signal G2t is equal to AE2, BE4, CE, D2E. The correct answer is E2. Phi filter passes phase, A non-linear phase, B linear phase, C variable phase, D none. The correct answer is non-linear phase. A trigonometric series has A single-sided spectra, B 0, C sinc function, D undefined. The correct answer is single-sided spectra. If a number of odd functions are added, the resultant sum is A even function, B odd function, C either even or odd function, D mixture of odd and even functions. The correct answer is odd function. In what range should Res remains so that Laplace transform of the function e(a2t5) exists? A. Res a2. B. Res a7. C. Res a. D. Res a5. The correct answer is Res a2. Which one of the following rules determines the mapping of S-plane to Z-plane? A. Right half of the S-plane maps into outside of the unit circle in Z-plane. B. Left half of the S-plane maps into outside of the unit circle. C. Imaginary axis in S-plane maps into the circumference of the unit circle. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.